Welcome back to Relationship Take 5, your go-to virtual hub for insightful and actionable relationship tips. In today's session, we're diving headfirst into the deep waters of trust issues in relationships. And as we tread these waters, we'll be shining a spotlight on the life preserver that is transparent communication. So, if trust in your relationship has started to wobble, rest assured you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing some practical strategies and tips to help reconstruct that crucial sense of security. So buckle up and get ready for this insightful journey. Transparent communication acts as the sunshine that disperses the clouds of doubt and uncertainty in a relationship. It's the passport to rebuilding trust, nurturing understanding, and laying the bricks for a robust love connection. When partners engage in open and sincere communication, it gives birth to an atmosphere of authenticity, a vital ingredient for reestablishing a sense of security and trust. Now, journey with us as we explore some practical strategies for setting up transparent communication and repairing trust in your relationship. Firstly, consider setting aside dedicated time for communication. This strategy involves eliminating distractions, cultivating a serene space, and offering each other your complete focus. This could manifest as a weekly catch-up or even a daily heart-to-heart where both partners feel at ease expressing themselves. Secondly, remember that transparent communication doesn't just revolve around talking, it's equally about active listening. When your partner spills their thoughts or concerns, engage in active listening by dedicating your full attention, echoing their words to demonstrate understanding, and posing clarifying questions. This encourages a deeper bond and builds trust. Thirdly, repairing trust demands both partners to be open and sincere about their thoughts and feelings. Show courage to share your emotions, fears, and dreams. Genuine self-expression cultivates an environment where trust can blossom. Now, let's switch our focus to some specific tips for reconstructing a sense of security through transparent communication. Firstly, remember that consistency is the magic key that unlocks the door to rebuild trust. Pledge to consistent communication. Regularly touch base with your partner, share snippets from your day, and converse about any concerns or joys that spring up. Consistency carves out a predictable and secure environment. Secondly, avoid falling into the trap of assumptions. If something seems murky, don't hesitate to seek clarification. Instead of assuming your partner's intentions, openly discuss any uncertainties. This proactive approach wards off misunderstandings. Thirdly, transparent communication demands embracing vulnerability. Don't retreat from sharing your fears or admitting when you've made a mistake. Vulnerability strengthens trust by showcasing authenticity and a willingness to open up to your partner. In conclusion, transparent communication is the golden thread that stitches trust back together in an intimate relationship. By setting aside dedicated communication time, practicing active listening, and sharing thoughts and feelings honestly, you can build an environment that nurtures trust and security. Remember, repairing trust is a team effort, and these strategies are just the starting blocks for that marathon. If these tips resonate with you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more relationship wisdom, and share it with anyone who might find it useful.